everyone. Fall has finally hit the Herland household. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me over my move and this home renovation and remodel. I so appreciate it. The home is finally decorated and I have lots to share with you. This year, traditional fall colors really spoke to me. I think moving all the way back from Texas to Arizona and being with my family, my girls, my mom, it has just meant the world to me to be home, and I wanted to fill my home with those colors and those feelings this year. So one of my inspiration pieces was this gorgeous pillow that I picked up from Home Goods with the beading on it, and then I brought in some pillow covers from Amazon, paired them with pillows I've already had, tied in something lush with the blanket. So today I'm going to share with you my fall living room. I'm going to do a simple coffee table styling. I hope you enjoy this series of fall tutorials, and I have so much more to offer you guys and give to you this holiday season. With Halloween and Christmas coming up, it's going to be great.